数字だけを見ると、藤井風さんの音楽の広がりは少し意外な形をしています。代表曲のキラリは、ストリーミングで7億回を超える大きな記録を持っています。でも、そこだけを見てしまうと、藤井風さんの音楽がどれほど長く聴かれてきたのかは、少し見えにくくなります。実際には、1億回を超えた楽曲が12曲あります。これは、一つのヒット曲だけが突出しているというより、複数の楽曲がそれぞれの場所で繰り返し聴かれてきたことを示しています。例えば、死ぬのがいいわは、日本でのリリースから時間が経った後、海外の SNS や動画をきっかけに、再び広く知られるようになりました。満ちてゆくも、映画的な映像とともに、多くの人に届き、YouTube やストリーミングで長く聴かれています。ここで面白いのは、曲ごとに広がり方が違うことです。ある曲は短い動画から知られ、ある曲はライブを通して印象に残る。別の曲は、アルバムを通して聴いた人の中で静かに育っていく。だから、キラリの7億回という数字は、頂点というより、山脈の中の一つの高い峰として見る方が自然なのかもしれません。一曲だけではなく、複数の曲がそれぞれの高さを持っている。その積み重ねが、藤井風さんの音楽が一時的な話題だけではなく、長く聴かれ続ける作品群になっていることを感じさせます。そして、その山脈を眺めていると、数字の先にあるもう一つのことが気になってきます。それは、なぜ人は同じ曲を何度も聴き続けるのかということです。
Fuji Kaze's streaming milestone has now passed 700 million cumulative streams, marking another major milestone in his career. Even more striking is the biggest picture. According to the latest Billboard Japan date announcement on August 11, 2026, Fuji Kaze has now 12 songs that have each surpassed 100 million streams. The number become even more impressive when we look beyond the headlines. 6 of the songs have already crossed 200 million streams, including Garden, Michitiako, Shin Iwe, Tabaji, and other different stages of his career. 5 additional tracks have reached the 100 million mark. Together, they show that his success cannot be explained by one viral song alone. Kiari remains the clearest example. Released in 2021 as a commercial tie-in, his Bride, Midole, and the effortless rhythm quickly made his memorable, yet nearly 5 years later, listeners are still returning to it. That kind of longevity is difficult to achieve in an era when songs can rise rapidly and disappear just as quickly. What makes Fuji Kaze particularly interesting in the way listeners move through his catalog. Someone might discover him through Kriari and explore Yashisha Kyoro, and each track offers a different mood, but there is still recognizable musical identity connected them. That variety may be one of the strongest reasons of his catalog continues to grow. His music can fit completely different moments: a quiet evening, a long journey, a reflective morning, or a time when you simply want something uplifting. His medleys often feel accessible on his first listen while revealing more detail through repeated listening. His songwriting also leaves room for the listeners to attach their own experience to the words rather than telling people exactly what they should feel. Many of his songs allow different generations and different listeners to find their own meaning, and there is an international dimension. Shinyo Igwe, for example, found a new audience years after his original track, and through social media, providing a song does not necessarily have the expired date. So 700 million streams for Kiari is certainly an extraordinary achievement. Perhaps the meaningful story is a collection of 12 songs surrounding it. The number are impressive, but they are ultimately the result of something deeper. People can coming back because there is another song, another feeling, another part of it musical world waiting to discover. Fujii Kaze is not simply standing on the top of the enormous hills, he has built an entire musical landscape with songs that continue to attract listeners from different places and different generations.